Hey YouTube, K's Garage here, doing a quick video for you guys. I'm going to show you how to change a shift knob in a 2012 Dodge Durango. And this is going to be a fairly simple process. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. You personally, you could use a pair of pliers to do this. Might be a little easier, but I'm just going to go ahead and jump into this. I think this might be very similar shift knobs to Grand Cherokees, Chargers, 300s. I don't know what years have this shift knob. So all you need to do is go underneath this little thing, kind of stick your screwdriver in there, pop that down, and then right there's a little pin. So what you need to do, take your screwdriver, turn it sideways in there, lift up, and that pin just shot out. So that was in there like that. Now you can kind of see through that little hole right there. That's where it was. Just grip it, pulls right off. Take that off. I'm gonna be with this flat dome thing. So got my Mopar shifter from my Charger. As you guys know, if you've seen my last video, I did crash my Charger and it has been deemed a total loss. If you guys want to look at that video or whatever and see what was going on with it, what happened, then go ahead and check that out on my channel. So that just slid right on, and then all you need to do, take your little Allen key, tighten this guy up. There you go. So now I have my shifter from my Charger in my Durango to kind of remember it, I guess. Every day I drive this thing, or my wife drives it, and we both love the Charger. So every day we will be reminded of the Charger at least once or twice, because we gotta go to and from. So anyway, that is that. Hope you guys liked the video, and let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day.